Yo, what's up, guys? I wanted to make a quick video on time frame continuity today. It's very relevant to trading. It's the most high probability aspect of a trade. Now, time frame continuity is when a trade lines up on the weekly chart, as well as the daily chart, as well as intraday on a 5, 15, or 30 minute. So let's talk about this BIIB. I've been watching this. Let's go to a daily chart. I've been watching this stock, this damn 300 level, since, shoot, what is this? 8/1/2016. I can't zoom back more. There was another level, July of like 2015, where it started working on this level. So I've been waiting on this trade. And as our members know, I haven't been trading a lot lately. It's been super choppy. But then I saw this setup, and I always say wait for your meatball. And this just set up so perfectly. This was a fucking meatball, and I loaded the boat. So I want to do a quick trade recap. It's still going on. I've kicked a third of my position, 300 shares. I had 900. Average price 294. It's currently trading 300. 300 was the big level, 296-ish. But it gave me an opportunity to get in earlier. All right, so let's get in. So off the open today, I was staring at this stock. Let's go back to a daily chart. I was staring at this because it's been testing this 300 level so many times, and I've been involved. I've been trying to catch this trade, but I knew when I caught it, I had to really make some money on it. Over here, you can see it was consolidating by the level. I really liked it. Then it got sold off. Some bad earnings, some bad news. Opened up here, and then just sold off on a gap up on news. It actually broke last week, and the market was a bit choppy, so it let it break. It faked some people out, sold it off. But since then, it just consolidated near the level. And then yesterday, it gave us an inside day at the level. I knew there wasn't another stock I was trading today, no matter what the hell happened. So let's go to a 5-minute chart, and let's look how I actively traded it. Off the open, I knew I wanted some stock, and I would be involved. So lead this 9:30, 12 seconds in. I bought 100, 290, and that was just against this little low. You see my stop, 291.50. 20 seconds later, 293.51. I was playing off the inside day. I wanted to be buying 294, but this name is so wide and difficult to get stock at prices you want that I was very willing to take the risk of cheating the level 50 cents because it's a $300 name. 50 cents is nothing to the stock. So then when I started getting more and more confirmation that I started seeing volume come in, you'd see I started buying some more. And this is just the first few minutes off the open. I've already got 500 shares. First 5 minutes, I had 600 shares. And I was just giving it this 291.50. My average price at this time was like 290, 293-ish, so $1.50. So that's a decent amount of risk. That's $1,000 right there. So then I really started adding. I didn't really want to add at this, but it just saw volume come in, and then you can see I really loaded the boat. What is this? 947, 1023. So I really loaded the boat when I started talking about time frame continuity. And let me. All right, here's the alpha chat. You'd see this was 1033, and I was screaming about this BIIB all morning. So you see I say time frame continuity. Ready? A setup on the 5, 15, and 30-minute charts when it lines up with daily and weekly setups. There's no reason it shouldn't go, in my opinion. And then that's when I was explaining it. So you see this little blue. It's like, all right, I'm talking about how good of a setup it is. I should buy a little bit more. And then 2 seconds later, there we go. Safe to say, my boat is fucking loaded. And then and you see it started to go. I sold some before the major level at 300. Just to book some. I had a shitload of stock. And then once it took out the level, I sold another 100. So a third of my position's off. I booked about 2K. So now if it pulls back, I have no problem. I already booked a nice little day. But if you look at it, like this thing looks like it just could be getting started. So if I can find an intraday level that I'm super confident about because it lines up with time frame continuity, that is like an A+ setup. And this BIIB was an A+ setup. I haven't really traded much all week, but this one I couldn't resist. I mean, this was just like, you need to know when to push it. And this trade setup, let me know that it was fucking go time. And I don't even plan on selling the rest of any more stock today unless it gets silly. You can see I have a sell limit here at 303.40. That's another $3 higher. I'll be up 2,400 more on the trade at that point. But I think this has a lot of legs to go. But I just want to tell you guys about a time frame continuity very quickly. All right. Hope you learned something. Good luck. Happy trading.